Stop paying hundreds of dollars for website hosting and developers. In 2026, building a website isn't about coding anymore, it's about prompting. Today, I'm going to show you 3 incredible AI tools that let you build, design, and publish a website completely for free. And the best part? We are going to put it online in less than 5 minutes. No joke, let's go. First up is the heavy hitter, bolt.new. This is an AI web development agent. You don't drag and drop, you just talk to it. First, locate the blue Get Started button on the screen and give it a click. This opens a secure authentication window to protect your account. For the quickest setup, select Sign in with Google from the options presented. You'll see a list of your Gmail accounts. Simply choose the one you want to use and you're in. Here's where the magic happens. In the text input field, describe exactly what you want to create. For example, you could type something like, "Make a coffee shop landing page." Once you've entered your prompt, hit the Enter key and sit back. Look at this. I simply typed, "Make a coffee shop landing page," and it writes the code, styles it, and previews it instantly. If you don't like the color, just tell it make it blue, and it fixes it. It's like having a senior developer sitting next to you. But what if you need a specific beautiful design component? That's where V0 by Vercel comes in. This tool specializes in user interface. If you don't have an V0 account yet, don't worry. It takes just seconds to set up. Click on Sign Up and you'll see several options to get started. You can sign in with Google, GitHub, or Apple, whichever you prefer. For this tutorial, I'll use Google. Click Continue with Google, and a list of your Gmail accounts will appear. Simply select the Gmail account you want to connect with, and you're all set. Let's say you need a pricing table. You type it in and it gives you 3 professional variations instantly. You can copy this code and paste it right into your project. It's perfect for when you want your site to look expensive for 0 cost. Now, let's explore another powerful AI tool that can help us build websites even faster. I want to introduce you to Google AI Studio, a completely free platform with unlimited usage that makes creating websites incredibly simple. Head over to Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, simply describe what you want. Create a modern coffee shop landing page with a hero section, menu showcase, and contact form. And add this key phrase, provide production-ready code structured for easy deployment on Netlify. This ensures your code is optimized, self-contained, and ready to go live with 0 configuration. Hit enter, and Gemini generates complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code in seconds. And you've got a professional landing page ready to go. The best part? Google AI Studio is totally free with no limits. You can iterate and regenerate as many times as you need. Alright, you've built your website. Normally, hosting means paying for servers and dealing with complicated setups. Not today. We're using Netlify, and it's completely free. Head to netlify.com and create an account. Takes 30 seconds, no credit card needed. Once logged in, you'll see the projects page. Now, you'll notice there's an Import from Git option at the top left. That's another method using GitHub, and we'll cover that in future videos. But today, we're keeping it simple with drag and drop. So first, let's go back and download our coffee landing page project from Google AI Studio. On the top right, you see the Downloader button. Click the button. It'll save all your files as a zip folder to your computer. Once it's downloaded, extract the zip file so you have access to the project folder. So let's move to Netlify and scroll down to or deploy manually, and you'll find the drag and drop zone that says, want to deploy a new project without connecting to Git? Drag and drop your project folder here. Grab your website folder and drag it into that box. Netlify uploads your files, processes them, and boom. Within seconds, your website is live with a secure HTTPS link. Look at that link. That's your website online. And there you have it. We just covered 3 incredibly powerful AI tools that are total game changers. bolt.new for building, V0 for stunning design components, Google AI Studio for prompt engineering, and Netlify for free hosting. Everything you need to create and launch professional websites. Without writing a single line of code, AI is moving fast, and I mean fast. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn how to automate your workflow and build amazing things with AI, make sure you smash that subscribe button right now. Thanks so much for watching, and let's start building something incredible together.